Use HMR 15 mm. Measure and mark HMR. Then cut 3 pieces HMR using table saw with width 60 mm. Assemble all HMR cut using glue. Then, clamp it. Measure and mark HMR before, and cut using miter saw. I put HMR 15 mm and cut using table saw with size 100 mm times 150 mm. Mark HMR. And assemble with HMR cut before. Make sure the position is straight with angle 90 degrees. After the glue dry, drill and screw. I give paper tape on the table saw to make zero clearance. I put my thin rib jig. Set up with size 5 mm. Then, I cut HMR 15 mm. Assemble HMR cut before with the tower base. Make sure all the position is straight. I put aluminum bar. Measure and mark, then cut into 2 pieces. Measure and mark aluminum to add hole. Then, drill the mark. Put the aluminum on the tower base. Make sure the position is right, then lock using screw. Measure and mark HMR 15 mm. Then I cut into 2 pieces using miter saw. I put U-groove bearing. I will use this bearing as a slider on the aluminum bar. Mark HMR cut before to determine U-groove bearing's position. Then drill the mark. I use M5 bolt to assemble bearing on HMR. I try bearing slide on the aluminum whether it worked properly. Measure the slider gap. Then apply on HMR. Assemble HMR cut with the slider. I use keyless chuck 13 mm. I put bolt M12 with length 80 mm. Use 2 bearings with type 6201. Try bearing into bolt, make sure it fit. Then, try on chuck. Cut the head bolt. Measure HMR 15 mm, then cut using table saw. Measure and mark, and cut using miter saw. Assemble HMR cut before and clamp it. Measure and mark to add hole. I use hole saw 30 mm to make hole. Place the bearing into the hole made before. Then, press it using bend vice clamp. Put it to the drill, and try it. Make sure the shaft is center without wobble. Assemble HMR before on the slider and screw it. Put rubber sheet. Make 3 pieces ring of rubber. Place nut on the shaft and put 3 pieces ring of rubber into it. After that, put the chuck keyless and fasten it. I try it using drill bit 4mm. Make sure everything is right. Drill the base using first net 35mm. Give sandpaper on the bottom base as a grip. I prepare new tower drill for drill test. I try the drill with variations of size, range 4mm until 10mm. This new design is very comfortable, precision, and low vibration. I can drill only use one hand, without hold the drill tower. Very fast make straight drill, and the result is perfect.